Morning guys, Thursday morning. I've just filled up with AdBlue and on the tank, and I've just greased around the subsoiler, these grease nipples here. There's 3 or 4, I think, 4, 1, 2, you can see the 4. I'll flip you around, you can see grease coming out. Just got into another field, this is field 7. The tape man's just over there, you can see because of the mucky window. It's Friday morning, checked pigs. I was on with subsoiling again. We're getting through the acres now, but hopefully we might get combine going today, so fingers crossed. Just a heavy dew this morning, so but we want to get this 20 acres of rye rattled off, and we've got a little bit of spring barley, about not much, about 7 acres, not much to get that off, and we're about done. Steve's just lifting potatoes. Trailer man is out there. He's soon cracking on, Steve. It's only taking him, well, I don't know how long it's taking him actually, but he's cracked on. I'll see if I can get a better video. I'm heading back to the farm now. I've got about an hour left in that field. I need to go get some fuel. Just put my trailer on, it had some water in it. I'm just tipping it up and let it dry in sun. We're good to go. My dad's just done a load to our grain. On the combine, I think he said it was about 16.5%, but it's 15.5%. So we're gonna crack on. Still need to check the pigs yet. Haven't done it yet, but we'll get round to that. My dad's just parked combine over here, so we'll get it going, get into some more rye, get it ticked off. So we're just back into rye, it's cutting lovely, next to pigs. Why is that not engaging? Bit thin round here, look. Reel down, it's all stuck on the knife. Oh, I missed some there. I think I'll go down a tram line next, because a bit of a bend there, so, and I'll straighten it up. 8 to 8, it's been working hard today and been in some right strong land. It's been making it back, pulling me right down to like about, well, one place I was doing about 3 kilometres an hour, so it was that tough. Yeah, I'll go down that tram line down there just to straighten it up, I think. Just unloading my first load now. I was about 100% full. It's reading 15.5. Yeah, yielding quite well, to be fair. Just going down my glass. Probably going 2 trailers what we got left, and we got a block just next to the control tower. Just having a look at Steve's potato harvester. It's a fair old weapon. I think it lifts 4 rows up at a time. Obviously the soil cleans the potatoes and the soil falls through the nets, or whatever you call them, I don't really know the name of them. And it goes round in a circle to the tank up the top. Then you can have somebody sorting them in there, picking out all the rotten ones, I'm guessing. I don't know how much it holds, but it's got some a load of screens in. Let's have a look. He's got plenty of pop in there. That's the tank there. Then that'll bend over to the trailer. That'll be all his cameras and joystick to control it. That's a bin full of pop, Steve. It's quite a fair length. That's the top one, the front, that'll top the 4. Then there's your lifters there, your rollers. Then it obviously goes through, it picks the potatoes up and shakes the soil off. The subsoiling. In the last field of spring barley 2024, I've just done the little bit in Belgarth. There's just a few acres here, I would say about 5 acres, but it's very bare like this. It's not good at all, but we'll soon get it gathered up. I brought my tractor down, so I've already been to Full Fork this morning with a load of rye. I chopped that other in Belgarth. I can't get my words out, but it's a little bit taller in here. Let's have a walk over to his crop here. Looks a lot taller. Don't look too bad, to be fair. Obviously it's a bit thin round here, but then she gets a lot thicker over here. Look. Oh yeah, this will bail. This will bail. It's a bit better. Oh, no, heads aren't too bad either, looking at that. Might be nearly out though, if it zooms. Rocky hard. See the white. Unloading the last of the spring barley. Dave's just turned up to do our next door neighbours. He's a contractor. Yeah, last load going in. Just on the way back to the farm now. We've just finished this field. Got header dropped off. Hopefully when we get back to the farm, baler man be there. We can get the last few bales what we cut yesterday. Bit bouncy there. Everyone's on. Dave's cutting. There's loads of balers going. Deanie's carting straw from here. Everyone's on because it's supposed to be horrendous tomorrow apparently. The weather, there's a weather warning. I don't know if it's for us, for rain and thunder and lightning. But it looks like Dave's full. I'll just go in neutral. I don't know if you can see him. That's one of the new makes. I can't remember what it's got. Is it a tree on or something? Morning guys, Sunday morning. Just checked around. This is the last shed I need to check. Looking really well, them pigs, aren't they? So, I've already jumped in and checked the feeder and the water. They're all good. We'll just go and have a walk to I don't know if you've heard about that farmer. He's about 70 years old. He took his grandson on a tractor and he got fined £3,000. I don't agree with it. I don't know what you people think, but I think when the no kids on the tractor come in a lot of years ago, it was tractors without a cab, and I'll show you which ones it's mainly aimed at. Just walking to it now. We've got a little tractor like that. These are the tractors it was aimed at. Basically, you don't have a cab, you got a clutch down there, and if you had a child there, they could just fall off and go under the wheel, and it's just not very safe. I wouldn't take anyone on there, even if they were 13, because it's an old tractor. It's not designed for 2 people. But when you've got a modern tractor with a passenger seat with a seat belt, and it's a safe environment, you can't get hurt. I think it's safer for your child to be in a tractor with you, obviously, not by themselves, with an adult looking after them, obviously with a seatbelt, because you're safer in a tractor when you are stood around in your blind spots where you could get crushed. So that's just my take on it. I feel sorry for the fella getting fined £3,000 for taking his grandson on a farm. It's just crazy this is why our country's falling apart. He's getting fined for his grandson might be a farmer when he's older, you know, but they've taken that little enjoyment away from him. But anyway, that's my thought. People might agree with me, people might not agree with me, but anyway, I'm just looking at these pigs. I've already checked them up. I've already been on catwalk up there. There's some monster pigs in there, absolute monsters, from a couple of batches ago. Right, I'm just going to jump into the fence now, drop the trailer off. I just want to finish a bit of this subsoiling off, because before this rain comes, I've just got about, 5 acres left in one field. What have I done with keys? I always lose everything. Be in my pocket somewhere. Yeah, got them. Yeah, I need to drop the grain trailer off. Put the front weight back on. Put the subsoiler back on, because I dropped it off to put the trailer on. Then what do I need to do? Yeah, I might grease it up. I could do with some doors, some easier doors to open. Right. What I need to do now is put the shoe. We call it a shoe because I don't know why it's called a shoe, but that's just when you drop it off, that's what the trailer sits on. I need to unplug all the pipes, then obviously drop the pickup hitch down, then it's dropped off. Just fothered up, it's Sunday afternoon. I just thought I'd show you this seat. I'm just getting a water bottle. I've left my water bottle from the other day. I need to get it out ready for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just obviously touching on what I was saying about the seat. I'll just flip the camera around. The passenger seat, it's quite big. It's got a big seat belt. I'll just try and lock it in. Not going to go anywhere. This is what a child should be sat on. A comfy seat with a seat belt. It can't go anywhere. And obviously, driver, I would not be jumping out of a cab without the child. But what I was getting at is the law is a little bit outdated, because the tractors were like this back in the day, passenger seat belt. But that's just my take on it anyway. Just there's going to be people who probably say that I'm wrong, but I think it's a lot safer now than what the tractors were with no cabs and stuff. But anyway, I hope you've enjoyed your weekend, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks very much for watching if you made it this far. See you on the next one.